Okay, today we have a debate on the topic class having more strength. Correct? And the team, this is a team A and this is a team B. Team A will support the arguments that class having more strength has more advantageous part, and team B will take part against the statement, against the topic. That's class having more strength is actually bad. Correct? Means you have to defend this. This team have to defend in a negative perspective. So let's open the debate from team A. Yes, from team A.
A very warm wishes to all of you. Although the climate is too much cold and we are shivering a lot, but yet we have some topic to discuss and some topic to debate on, that is class having strength. I have to go with that class having a strength is a good. Because I think that if in a class the number of student is more, then the teacher can educate more student, because the power and source of energy he will manipulate in a single class. He won't afford in the second class. And other thing is that the student ratio in education will increase, because if one teacher is best, then he can't make same class again and again. And one thing that is we can observe that maybe it's caused space problem in classroom, but we can see in online classes, we can join online classes where we can also counter the space problem. If the teacher educate in online, there we can have a lot of space, and there from home we can study whatever the teacher teaches. And the third thing is that if a person want to give free education, then he can't teach again and again. He have to teach in a group, or we can say in a crowd. There we have a benefits of this. And one more thing is that where a person don't have much money, when a student have not much money, and there also we have benefits of, and it is also beneficial to the teacher also. If the student number is more, then the income value of the teacher is also more. That's it.
Very good.
We are against from the class having more strength. Let's start it. The class which is having more strength, it takes a lot of time to arrange the class only, because there are many students, so they come one by one, which takes too many times. So because of this, the time of the students, they lose their time, their important time. And secondly, each and every student doesn't get the opportunity to ask the questions from the sir, to clear their doubts. So at that place also they are incomplete, like so. And next, the students, if there are many students, so the student who is very good in studies and the student who is very bad in studies, those students who are very bad in studies, they think themselves that they are a loser, and many times they attempt suicide also. And fourth, there are many noises. If there will be more strength, then the class will be full of noisy. There will be bitching, fighting, everything. It will also, sometimes it will also affect to the teacher also. Teacher will not be able to teach them clearly. He will be always solving his or her problems, fighting and all. So it's very bad to have more strength in class. And for you have told about the online classes. So in online classes also students are
in the class there is a variety of students in class. Just like in this class, there some students are good and some are poor. But who ask questions from the dear classmates, it also consume time of our teachers, so that teachers can teach us a lot of things, more things that we can teach in the class. And it is also good for means if you said there would be a number of students who is small in the class, but if there is a large number of students in the class, it is good for our that can always save energy, because in the large class, in a small amount of student, there would be using a class a more of time, means 1 or 2, 3 times. But in a class where the student is very high, then there would be we use a times of like a particular hour. But if there is we run a class more and more time, then we use a lots of more time of lights and energy. That is, it will be used more and more time, and it also consume our time, because if we are going in a class number of students in a time, then it's make our teachers saves our teachers time, and the teachers also learn us a different thing in another class, because our teachers also get harassment from such type of class in one day.
According to you, it means, according to you, if the number of students is more, then the teacher gives time. According to you, if number of students is more in the class, then teacher have lost less energy. But if students study less time because of number of students, then it affects the students' study also. What is the reason? If students are more, then the students study less time. And because of the more energy waste, we can study less time. How we can manage our study?
What do you want to tell? In the class we are coming for only writing. Not this. We are coming in the class for listening our teachers.
No.
Listen,
As I said earlier, if a class student is more, then students come one by one. It
Yes,
takes time.
Student, what is the duty of student? He and she used to come in on punctual, on time, and he is also coming the class at a time, and we are in coming the class. Then we have to keep silence if the class is run. Then what we make?
This is not possible because many of the traffic system is because of the weather system. Because when we like me, I go to the physics class on the Lohiyanagar, which is from I cover Gumti. But at some times Gumti is low. At that time I am going to the class late just because of this is not my fault. This is because of the traffic. If I cover the overbridge also, then I come to the class also late. What is the reason? What can I do for this?
Then you can say your teacher, sir, I have no enough time to come because I am coming from far away from the class, so I have get lots of time in coming here.
No, I can cover half an hour, but it is enough for 20 minutes. But due to Gumti only, I can came to the class late for the 10 minutes or for 10 minutes.
That is your particular reason.
Everyone has some problems while coming. It's a national phenomena. Suddenly something happens, like there are many water in roads, or there are many traffics, or the road is broken.
All right.
These things happen.
All right. You have to say about such type of thing. Then you have to manage your time. You have to first go from your home in the early. If you want to come reach your class on time.
Myself, if there will be large amount of students in class, it's not compulsory that each and every student will come on time.
It is compulsory for all of the students, because a student is duty for he is to come in class on punctual time.
Many of the roadside, many drugs are available because to enhance the drainage system. We don't know about the roadside.
Yes, very good.
As we have to present in the class on the time, we have to present on the time, because we know that time is precious for everyone. So that if you have any another classes, you can manage that in English class. Suppose, like example, in English class, in a whole day there is 5 or 6 English classes will be taken. I'm not talking about this, but in another class, you can join the another class on another time, so that you can reach the class on time. Then that time you will manage your time and you will manage your study also. And there will be no traffic problem and no voting problem also.
Students want best teacher. So if she will change her coaching. If
Not about coaching, I'm talking about your schedule. Yes. Right.
In this time, many of the roads are broken because to enhance the drainage system of the Begusai. We don't know about we don't know about the roadside. If we are going to the coaching, we are going to the coaching and the road is blocked. Then we can cover second of the road. Then at that time we come to the class late, and many of the students face this type of problem. Then how we can manage this?
Yes. New arguments from Pawan. New argument. Very good.
Listen to me.
Be silent. Be silent. This is a debate class.
As you tell us about that, it's all over. This problem is all over students, and they come there. We are face classes. It is
Let's go on. Be on your topic. Please stick to your topic.
you have to understand. All students have only all students. You can say probably, and all PSS have only 24 hours. So you have to manage, and then you have to come any places and any classes earlier. If because this problem is all over students, so you have to conscious for this. And I want to give you some examples of these classes. It is a small place, it is very short places here, but online classes, when our sir teach here online classes in this class, same time all students, a lot of number of students can study and same time. Some students can join Telegram, WhatsApp, and they learn same time. They can teach a large number of students.
You have told about this coaching, but if I go to the other coaching, such as Prudence Coaching Center, then we see that they have more strength. They make students in more number. But if we see the situation that a student's perception is changed when they see a large number of students in a coaching, and I want to tell one thing that they have hesitation to ask the question from teacher. You know they are taught in the digital board, and the expert was live from Delhi. So where we have to pick the mic and ask the question. So their students have hesitation to ask the question from teachers. So what will you take on this?
New argument.
New argument, sir.
And stick to your
Okay, sir, okay.
the topic.
Good morning, all of you. Today's debate class, and I have said that more students of class. It is good for teacher and student, because if more students in class, teachers provide scholarship for weak and poor students. It is good for students because those students who have comes from villages and comes from a poor family, they have not money to pay teachers, and they can't teach in high coaching. They have survived, and I have said that more students is good, and just like if you see that all of the coachings in Begusai, they are not provide 4 or 5 students class. They have more students class in providing, just like you have said that Hamra Road all coachings, Chandan Hamra and Anand Fish classes. They have a lot of students in one classes, and teachers provide a good knowledge, and just like you have said that it is not good. It is so good because the teachers are consume at time, and students are just like 50 students in one batch. Teachers have covered 100 students in two batch. But just like in one batch 20 students, teacher have covered 5 times. This is not for good teacher and student.
And I also want to join the point. Have you ever listened about Super 30? And what would be done there? Because while you're going there are many students who are coming from poor family, and they have got to provide a good scholarship, and they go there and study free of cost. But this is for those students who are very poor and very laborious in a study field. So they can join there, and there is also a number of students is very good, very high. Then how can you say that is very bad?
Let me tell you,
Yes.
I had went to Super 30. The scholarship, the 30 students who
Yes.
get the scholarship, their classes are taken separately from the other students who didn't got the scholarship. They take the classes separately, batch by batch.
Because the head of the Super 30 is Pankaj Kumar, who is from Sumaria, my village also. Those students,
No, I have given entrance
those
examination and I
students
got
who
that
have
information.
selected for the Super 30, they have given extra classes. But those students, from the students they have taken fee, they have given other classes.
Okay, Manish, go on.
Good morning, everyone. Just new topic use this one.
नहीं बोलना है इसमें, फालतू बात नहीं करना है. No. Yes. सभी दूसरे स्टूडेंट भी बैठे हुए हैं ना.
कुछ नहीं. अरे जो वो स्टार्ट करता कौन डायरेक्ट तो हो चुका है ग्रीटिंग. आगे स्टार्ट करना. ग्रीटिंग नहीं करना.
He is correct. Go on. Be serious. Be serious with the debate.
Good morning, everyone. Today is debate class, and the debate is class having more strength, and my opinion is very good, and because class with more students just for good for in our GDP, good for, and
Correct.
and many students come in class, but teachers income is high just for Vikram, and say teachers are more infrastructure, just like example for this class, students are more totally, this is not for good for in this room. You have my teacher is say big infrastructure and good for, and many invest for money and starting for and students and many staffs in class and more incomes in other person, and this for good just for Arus and just for Himra classes anymore. Many teachers and many institutes just for any other area just like Himra, Baha, and just like Beus area, and good for, and many students in pick up in many areas, just any area, and more income in class. It's good for me.
All right, Ritesh, go on. You want to say? Yes, go.
As we all know, the influence of a good teacher is like a candle, consume itself to light the way of the student. It not means for the better infrastructure, teachers have for the better infrastructure or the loss of their energy. Teachers have killed the knowledge of the students. If more of the students is present in the class, then the students have hesitation. Don't ask question to the teacher. If less amount of students is present in the class, then it affect the teacher. They may not have good infrastructure or good other facilities, but students have clear all the doubts just because of
Just one. Many students come in just for teachers' knowledge for good in this class. More students will come because college is not for mental problem. This class is coming, and this is no more knowledge in getting in a student.
You want to add?
Yes, sir. As you told about, the student has not any effect about the class, what is the infrastructure of class, etc. But in the modern time, if you have ever visited any classes and you are belong from a rich family, then your friends must see how is the infrastructure of your coaching classes and when you are busy. and how is the maintenance of the classes. That is the first reason of infrastructure that a class teacher has to be provide us.
Alright. So to go on. Now I have to give chance to others also.
According to Team A, all told that class have more strength is better for teacher and as well as student. But it is not true. When strength is more, so the class is big, and when teacher taught on the board, so the backbencher of the student cannot listen carefully, and there are many problems created, like they have not clear the doubt and don't tell about, and it also create voice problem.
Alright, yes, sir, you go on.
If in the class many more students and very benefits like good frequency of class and the competition mind increase the all the student. If the first venture performance good and every student think to we can do such type of this such things of a student and the competition mind or and in the class every various type of a student come. Every student has many type of idea. We can learn many types of all types of students, all types of students and many things.
This, what?
In class, many students are fighting.
It is not raw and the big class is the educational class.
Backbenchers are fighting. That's the teacher not punish that the student.
Why?
Yes, let him speak first. Yes, what?
They are.
Can I add something else, sir?
Yes, you can add.
Ankit told about
Listen carefully.
Ankit told about first venture boys are also concerned to listening time, but it is not good for back venture. It is also represent first venture. But class is the all over students, and sir also learn about any student. This is the but back venture also to noise and in noise into all class over class disturbance, and sir don't to expect any students some things about anything, and not just like that noise occurs and disturb all class, and also dependent sir also something to good is not good for the class, but also disturbing all classes, and also effect of the first venture and not time to clear your syllabus.
So what do you think? You are first year.
Yes, Arus. Be silent. Listen him carefully. करना नहीं है किसी को. Yes, go on. करना नहीं है. Yes, be silent. Be silent. शांत रहना. Yes.
सबको पता है कौन ग्रुप का
Yes,
समझता तो भटकने का काम करता है.
That's present time we all about all student mindset की first bench student very knowledgeful, good, laborious, very good laborious. What are you doing? Or I know laborious and good education, but last venture not
classroom of good student.
I will go there, Suman, I will request you.
Come sir.
Yes.
not a bad performance in classroom.
All right, Soumya, go on.
You say that the first bencher are laborious and good, but it is not important. The more strength is a bad effect in a class. Just like more strength, it create many problems like heavy noise, hesitation, doubt, unclear. And main problem is create friendship. Friendship is main problem to create more strength. When more strength in a class, backbenchers will engage in friends and do not concentrate in class. And not thought of concentrate in sir. And when more strength in class, demotivate all the students and hesitation to talk about any topic.
Come on, go on. Then Amar and then you.
Last bencher has some like marker, very good performance of class. Your recent time prepare and good teacher performance of all students to have all teachers that are very good noise, not make a noise, all performance. Consult all students to behavior all students just like bencher of first bench, middle bench and last bench. No, good teacher are best performance of all student guidelines to the last bench and middle bench and first bench. Okay, also I am.
Amar, go on. Amar and then
A moment ago, we have many examples of for my class students. So there are very much creation because sir is seated there, but like Arus, Manish, and there are many students of the classroom. He is crying. He is crying, so it is not important. The large number of students is too much for class. There are no silence, so we can say that it is not important how the teacher behavior. So it is dependent on fully student's behavior. So if just like this is the row class. So in the row class everyone can talking with each other. So we have many examples for the this disturbance. So we can say that the number of large students, it is very, and also during COVID pandemic, the large number of students is too much bad. So we can say that the social distance and physical distance will be destroyed, and also no one can anyone has a mask, sir. So it is very difficult to COVID pandemic. Large number of students is too much bad, sir.
Clap for him. सत्यम
मास्क तुमने नहीं लगाया
वही तो बोले
सत्यम listening carefully.
There are many students coming in class. I observe in some students laugh in other students. They are disturbed in the class. All the students should listening carefully in other students. Listening carefully all other students. They don't make noise in other people. And when the teacher comes in class and teach all the students, they should not make noise in other. They disturb in the class, and other students create to understand what is chapters.
भाई तुम लोग टेंशन से आगे क्या
In class, some students make jokes. They are disturbance all the students. They don't understand the chapters. So all
Silent. All right, very good. Yes. Don't laugh. Go on. Yes, be silent. Yes. Don't laugh. Be serious. Be serious with your topic. Go on.
As you told that in this class some are successful in listening and some are laughing to others, but the amount of the student in this class is about 20 approx. But this is not the highest rank. Highest rank is the amount of student is 100 or 150 or above this. If the student in amount of 20 students are not able to concentrate in the topic, then how can all students are concentrated in amount of 100 or 150 students? This is due to this, and he said that high strength means the competition level of student is increases. Due to competition, many students suicided. The student who do hard working in studies and not able to participate in classes due to huge amount or due to strength of class, there are many mental and there are many stresses to the student, because they do work on the studies and on the education system, but they are not able to improve or improve themselves in whole classes.
As all has said that in a large number of students where we get disturbance. So I am taking the example of Arush. Arush, don't mind. The student who is not interested in study, they want to study later also, and some elements of the class could be ignored. If the teacher not ignored the elements of certain classes, then they have to face many problems. Again, we can't blame the whole class because of a single student. We have to neglect them. And I'm taking example of Kota Institute, and there are many institute in Kotas where we have approx 250 students in a single class. Where teacher, you said that the front bencher get very loud sound of teacher, whereas the back bencher aren't able to listen the teacher's thought. But one thing I want to say that the teacher uses mics and speakers so that to raise their volume, and their student number is also more as compared to our classes. And the teacher, whatever teaches with their full source of energy, can't be able to give in the another class. For example, we have a certain movements and certain thoughts, some kinds of jokes we can't give in our second class, and it may be boring for the boring in another class. And the third is that we can see best example of strength in like gym classes. The trainer won't teach you again and again, and also in a dance classes and even in a yoga classes. You and there is many things and many persons talk about that in a group like some had said that backbenchers makes noises. I would like to say that if they have they compare it to study, they won't raise any stuff. And if the number of student is there higher, then the question that arise is higher. If the number of student is more, the competition will be more. And the last thing is that one have said that doubt clearance. So then I would like to say that if you are interested in such teacher, if you are totally devoted to the teacher, then you don't have any doubts because you are able to understand whatever the teacher teach you. And if you have any doubts, every student can't have doubt. I know that every student can't offer that kind of doubt. Maybe there is some few students who get doubt, and that is we can observe in every classes. That.
Want to go? Yes, you.
So first of all, in large amount of students like 150 or 130, the teacher don't know each and every student that how they are, how much they take from them or how much they learn. So it doesn't help the students to develop themselves because teachers are not able to give attention to that type of students. And secondly, in 150 students, like here we are very less, so you are getting that he is making noise or he is making noise. But in 150 students, no one can judge who is making noise. So this also the teacher can't do anything in this. He can't take all the students out of the class. This is also one of the main problems. And in 150 students, many students do bitching of the teachers also while sitting anywhere. He can sit on front also, he can sit on back also. And thirdly, you have told about the competition. So the students who are not well speaker, who are very shame, like they feel very shame while standing and asking the questions. They just lose their all educations. They get farther and farther, and many times they get depressed and they does the suicide also. This happens in Kota very much because there are many big classes and many large amount of students. And if you will see the results also, in one batch in Kota there are minimally 200 students, but the result when it comes in IIT or MBBS, there are very less students who get selected. So you can tell that many students went there but studies very less. Very less student can concentrate on studies. Rest of all just go and waste their times.
From Timur.
Yeah, you told about a large number of students sometimes disturb our classes. But I want to tell you, it's not necessary, because some teachers are very well and their name and all are known about that. Then a large number of students go there for study and they taught there. You have to understand, some students are very bad. Their behavior and their mentality are very bad. That type of students found each and every place, and sometimes approx some coachings are available in this type of students. So you have to can't mind it and you have to focus on study. But I want to give you some examples of Baba ABC classes in Begusarai. Their teacher's name is Baba sir. I know very well, and he is a good teacher of maths. A large number of students there for study and go for study. I want to tell you, if you are devoted their teachers, then you wait for a study 1 to half and 1 hours outside. But on this moment they fight each other, they talk each other. But when class there will be start, then approx 150 to 160 students. I also come there. Number of students study there, and no any students loudly told, and no students make a noise a lot there. You have to understand, if their teacher is strict and they teach on the board, then many students and some students talk loudly, not talk loudly, and they can't waste their time. If you are a good student, then. So, in my opinion, it's not necessary large number of students disturb their teachers.
Go on.
He told about Baba sir. His Baba sir classes are the many students in the south, just like that, 150. And also art students, listening time, and not understand some persons are just some person and some. And then also a student, and after class wait and ask the questions are also lose a time, because lose a time, and then also having a problem.
I told you about they are not noise and not disturbed many students. But as you tell me about many students are not understand their language and their perception of that is they teach you. But you have to understand, they are very fast study. They teach you very fast because their maths is very good. In my opinion, all over Begusarai is one of the best teacher of mathematics. You also know. But I want to tell you, a large number of students can't disturb their teachers. I saw.
But also a student are not understand and not a fast reading or listening.
It's your mistake.
No,
you have to study at first. Then
all student about it's all student about the problem. And also all student
We are not talking about a particular place or
Also I student wait, and after the class we can ask any question. So also the lose our time.
Yes, I understand. But you have to understand, a good teacher when teach you.
Okay.
Then
But any student are not good. But any student are not good.
I explain we are human being. The mind of human being think like image. Just like a potato affected all the bags. So one student can lose the energy of all of the class. So one student, if the one student is bad, so each student are affected by the student. So your doubt now, I think your doubt is clear.
Lotus also bloom in
He said that.
But I don't I explain myself.
You are exceptional, yes? Because you are exceptional.
Human being. So there are many differences between plants and animals.
You are animal?
He said right now,
Last point from
a single student can make rotten to the others, but a single student also raise the others.
Yes.
If a single student has secured a good marks, then other also have some positive thinking that he can also do best. He can also build up, and likewise they said that the competition level makes student in a stress situation. I want to say them that if the student attend the regular classes, they won't face such kind of situation. And the problem of Kota Institute is not the teacher and the number of students. The problem is that the loneliness of the student. They don't guided by their parents, and being loneliness, they take any steps. And other thing is that they don't attend the regular classes, which is won't guided by anyone. And the third is that if they had a bad friendship, even in a small classes we had a bad friendship. It doesn't matter that we have a large class, then we also we get attracted to the bad people. Then it will destroy their career too. And we can't consume the career in our strength of the class, because teacher is giving at his best, and we have to pick up at his best. The student who is coming to gain the knowledge have different levels. This doesn't mean that the strength destroys the career of the student and makes him in the tense pressure. It's your will that you pretend to do so, and that's it.
Okay, all right. Okay,
So you told that student faces loneliness. If there will be less amount of students in a class, then teacher will be connected with each and every student. Then the student will not face a loneliness, or they will not go into depression. Teacher will tell them what to do and how to do to improve themselves and to finish their loneliness. So it's not like that they are feeling loneliness.
Sir, being lonely means their teacher is their teacher is only for one motive of teacher is only for teaching the student. There is no friendship. Whenever we move to the other states or
This is only because of the large amount of students.
But we
If
can't
there will be less amount of
add
students, then
emotion
teachers
in the
will be
teaching.
connected with each other.
We can't add emotion in our teaching, because if we add emotion, then we have to know the names one by one. We have to attach with that student, and whenever they part, in future, who knows what he will take a step. Any step will be taken.
At the end of today's debate, okay, go ahead.